Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GG0739S in color code 002. It's a gold brown color frame. It has a gold Gucci logo on the side of the temples. It is a gold metal temple with the brown ending. This frame is made in Japan. The lenses are a brown gradient color, and it has the Gucci logo engraved on the top right lens. Up here we have the Gucci velvet cases. The colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.